Attention, all you marketers who love Christmas. We decorate our homes for Christmas. We decorate our offices and stores too, but the question is, are you also decorating your online place of business, such as your websites, your social media channels, and promotional videos? Using holiday-themed graphics can significantly boost your sales during the holiday shopping season, which is why so many online marketers use them. People like the spirit of celebration, and it is certainly legitimate to use genuine holiday expressions to connect with your audience and customers. Converting leads into buyers is hard, and maintaining your current customers, well, it's even harder. People form opinions and make assumptions based on the look of your company, products, and services. And that's why we are introducing to you Eazy Christmas, the only Christmas marketing package that you will ever need. Now you can create high-converting Christmas videos, festive graphic social media channels, and presentations the quick and easy way with our stunning collection of done-for-you Christmas graphics, video assets, and print-ready materials. This awesome, massive package contains over 2,000 high-quality pro-design templates in easy-to-use PowerPoint format with full developer rights, so you could use, well, unlimited times on your projects or clients' projects. Create attention-grabbing websites, social media channels, videos, and much, much more in just 3 easy steps. Step 1 is to choose one of over 2,000 pro-design templates. Step 2, use PowerPoint to easily edit the text and images to add your own brand. And Step 3, simply export your design in JPEG, PNG, or MP4 format. We also include full video training showing you how to do all this. Now you can easily dress up your websites, your social media channels, and videos for Christmas for a few cents each using the massive pro-quality done-for-you Christmas marketing package. Eazy Christmas is the only done-for-you Christmas branding solution that you will ever need. Grab your Eazy Christmas special limited time discounted price right now.